welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a look at our 2018 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. We've done this boat with the light blue hull sides, equipped with a navy blue bimini top. As we make our way to the back of the boat, we'll talk about how we've powered this boat, which is the 250 horsepower Mercury Verado. It's a supercharged 4-stroke with digital throttle and shift. We're going to make our way up into the cockpit. Vantage is a really nice, versatile boat, great crossover between a family boat and fishability. You have a nice wide bench seat here at the transom, nice high back support and nice depth to it, very comfortable seat. And it tucks away nicely to open up the cockpit to make the boat a little bit more fishable. Here we've got a freshwater sprayer at the transom. We've upgraded the countertop to the Corian countertop. At the helm, you have a Raymarine 9-inch Axiom GPS and fish finder, Raymarine VHF radio, and a Fusion stereo, trim tabs, and as I mentioned earlier, all the Mercury Verados are digital throttle and shift. You have a nice stainless steel windshield cap. On the port side, you have a very versatile companion seat, easy to move backrest, fold down to give you a aft-facing lounger, a back-to-back seat, storage underneath both sides. This compartment opens up for your head compartment. You have a pump out porta potty in there, plenty of room to change, and you also have a freshwater sink as well. You have a locking storage compartment in the floor, which also gives you some rod storage. Valve block off doors as you make your way forward. 2 full-length loungers on each side. And you're going to have a bow boarding ladder in the bow as well. That's a real quick look at our 2018 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. As you can see, this boat is inside our showroom, so stop down, rain or shine. Check out this boat and the other whalers we have in stock.